Number 1. 1970 International Stepside, $5,500, San Jose, California. This 1970 International Stepside is a rare and increasingly collectible compact pickup. Powered by a rebuilt inline 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission, it delivers smooth and engaging performance. Extensive mechanical work has been completed, including a fully rebuilt brake system, updated wiring, new gaskets, battery, and a complete tune-up. The truck is road-ready, currently registered and insured, and carries a clean title. Finished in green with classic styling, it is an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a unique and dependable vintage truck. Number 2. 1970 Ford F-250 Camper Special Sport Custom, $5,200, Davis, California. This 1970 Ford F-250 Camper Special is a well-preserved California truck with a strong ownership history. It features a stock 360 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering reliable performance. Original paint and interior enhance its authenticity, while factory options such as power steering, front disc brakes, air conditioning, and dual fuel tanks add practicality. With regular maintenance and a clean title, it is ideal for collectors who appreciate originality and usability. Number 3. 1978 GMC C10 shortbed, $7,000, Grygla, Minnesota. This 1978 GMC C10 shortbed combines classic styling with extensive performance upgrades. A rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 with modern internals and a performance cam is paired with a rebuilt automatic transmission and upgraded drivetrain components. New suspension parts, brakes, fuel system updates, and a refreshed interior with modern audio enhance drivability. While minor tuning remains, it runs and drives well, making it a strong driver quality classic with further potential. Number 4. Chevrolet C20 long bed, $5,500, Commerce, California. This Chevrolet C20 long bed is an honest heavy-duty classic pickup. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it runs and comes with a clean title. The long bed layout makes it practical for hauling or restoration into a period-correct work truck. With limited details available, it represents a solid foundation at an accessible price. Number 5. 1974 Chevrolet SquareBody pickup, $5,900, Tucson, Arizona. This 1974 Chevrolet SquareBody pickup is a rust-free, well-preserved example from a highly desirable generation. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch crate V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. Factory power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning add comfort, while the original interior and excellent glass reflect careful ownership. Finished in original patina paint, this one-owner truck is well-suited for restoration or daily use. Number 6. 1977 Ford pickup, $6,500, Playa Del Rey, California. This 1977 Ford pickup is a mechanically sorted classic, powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. Approximately $7,000 in documented mechanical work has been completed, resulting in a strong and reliable driver. The interior needs cosmetic attention, but the drivetrain is road-ready. With a clean title, it offers a solid project with major mechanical work already addressed. Number 7. 1970 Ford F100, $5,950, Bigfork, Montana. This 1970 Ford F100 is a clean, tastefully refurbished pickup with strong visual character. It features a remanufactured 302 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Recent work includes a rebuilt carburetor, cooling system refresh, fuel system service, and brake inspection. A rust-free bed and clear-coated patina enhance its appeal. With a clean title, it is ready for regular driving or weekend cruising. Number 8. 1979 Chevrolet 3/4-ton crew cab long bed, $8,950, Tigard, Oregon. This 1979 Chevrolet crew cab is a heavily upgraded classic, combining vintage style with modern performance. It is powered by a rebuilt 6.0-liter LS V8, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and programmable fuel injection. The solid farm truck body shows no structural rust, and the interior has been restored with modern electronics while retaining a factory look. It runs and drives strong, offering excellent value for a modernized classic. Number 9. 1977 Ford F-150 4-wheel drive Ranger XLT Heavy Half, $7,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1977 Ford F-150 Ranger XLT Heavy Half is a well-maintained 4-wheel drive classic. It is powered by a rebuilt 400 cubic inch V8 with fewer than 100 miles since overhaul. Long-term ownership and extensive mechanical investment support its reliability. With a clean title and strong 4-wheel drive capability, it is a desirable choice for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a powerful vintage truck. Number 10. 1977 Dodge Powerwagon W150, $8,000, Fullerton, California. This 1977 Dodge Powerwagon W150 is a highly sought-after 4-wheel drive classic. Powered by a stock 440 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it offers strong originality and classic muscle truck character. Finished in red with a clean title, it is a solid candidate for restoration, preservation, or continued use as a vintage off-road truck. Number 11. 1977 Chevrolet Shortbox Stepside, $6,900, Hesperia, California. This 1977 Chevrolet shortbox stepside is a clean, well-kept classic with strong originality. Powered by its original 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it starts easily and runs reliably. With no rust, dents, or accident history, it stands out for condition. The stepside bed adds visual appeal and collector interest. Number 12. 1948 International KB2 Rat Rod, $9,500, Avenger, Texas. This 1948 International KB2 is a unique custom build blending vintage style with modern performance. It features a 5.0 high-output V8 and 5-speed manual transmission from a 1985 Mustang. Disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, and upgraded wheels improve safety and handling. With minimal rust and a clean Texas title, it is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a one-of-a-kind rat rod or custom cruiser. Number 13. 1992 Mazda B2200, $400, Salina, Kansas. This 1992 Mazda B2200 is an affordable compact pickup offering simplicity and reliability. Equipped with a manual transmission, it runs well but burns some oil and needs new tires. With over 150,000 miles and a clean title, it is sold as is and winterized, making it a budget-friendly project or entry into classic compact trucks.